want purple.
Oh. Oh.
I don't like this color anymore.
Oh no, red flag! Swimming is forbidden now!
I want red. Red, orange,
Yellow, green, blue.
purple.
Yay! Let's go to the playground! My color is blue. My color is green.
My color is red. My color is purple. Huh? Shh.
Let's change.
I love colors, but I love my friends more. Huh? Oh. Black color is better. Huh?
Oh, no, it's pink. Oops. Oops.
Wow! I like it!
But colors do not exist.
Ho ho! Ho ho!
Star, you promised to play with me.
I want some sweet. Oh, it's empty.
Star, are you here?
There's nothing sweet here.
I'll save you, Star!
I'm sorry.
I'm so glad you're okay!
Let's play together.
I was playing, having fun with my new doll. Suddenly it fell on the floor and now the color was gone. Don't worry, we'll get it back. Don't worry, it's easy and fun. Brush, 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 splish and splash.
the color blue is gone. Don't worry, we'll get it back. Don't worry, it's easy and fun. Brush, 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 splish and splash. Brush, 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 the color blue is back. I was playing, having fun with my new ball. Suddenly it hit the wall and all the color was gone. Oh no, the color yellow is gone. Don't worry, we'll get it back. Don't worry, it's easy and fun. Brush, 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 splish and splash. Brush, 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 the color yellow is back.
I was playing, having fun, sliding in my new slide. Suddenly it rained and stormed, and now the color was gone.
Don't worry, we'll get it back. Don't worry, it's easy and fun. Brush, 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 splish and splash. Brush, 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 the color pink is back. Colors are always fun. Brush, brush, brush and brush. Colors will always come back. Just splish, splish and splash.
Who's there? Huh? Ah! Aha! Ah! Huh? Where is my lollipop? Huh? Here's my lollipop. Whew. Huh? Where's my lollipop? Let's find it. Is my lollipop here? Or there? Where is it? Yes, it's on the roof. Ooh. Ah! A dragon! A girl! Ah! Huh? You took my lollipop. A lollipop? Oh no! My yummy lollipop! Oh, I'm sorry. I have an idea. Let's make a new lollipop in the Sweet Kingdom. My name is Danny. I'm Viv, and I, Oh no! Danny, what should I do? Let's start the game. Look, a chest! A chest! Jump! Watch out! It's a slime! Slimes like ice cream too. Jump! Here's the lollipop. Ew! Ew, no flavor. I don't like lollipops with no flavor. Okay, let's go to the flavor world. Huh? Let's add flavor to your lollipop. Start! It's broken. Look, the colors of the fruits are all mixed up. Let's fix the colors. Let's start. Strawberry is red. Ugh. Yay! Orange is orange. Hey! Lemon is yellow. Huh? Hey! Apple is green. Hey! Correct! Oh, yay! Let's add flavor to your lollipop. Strawberry, orange, lemon, apple. Oh, what flavor do you want? I want to make a special lollipop. Oh, yes, I know what you want. Ice cream, and this, and that one. Whoa! Oh, wow, you didn't tell me you're a dragon, too. Whoop. I don't like spicy and bitter lollipops. I like sweet and sour lollipops. Sweet and sour. Yes, chocolate's very sweet and raspberry is sour but yummy. Hey! Yummiest chocolate, really sweet. And raspberry, wow. Raspberry is really sour but so nice. Thank you, Danny. I'll see you again. Bye, Viv. Huh? What happened? Huh?
I'm afraid to treat my teeth. No, that's an eye.
Huh?
No, that's an ear.
Huh?
Yes, those are teeth. Ugh. Huh?
Ah!
Oh, wait! I said treat your teeth! What?
Huh?
Oh. Where are we?
We are in the magical world of teeth. Huh?
You don't take care of your teeth.
It's a tooth bacterium. Run! Careful! Bacteria like sweets! To the left! To the right! Great job! Healthy food makes teeth stronger. Take the apple. It's healthy food.
Phew! Why did we come to the tooth world?
The Tooth Queen will give you healthy teeth. The Tooth Queen lives there.
Did you hear that?
What happened?
I wanted to bathe in mouthwash. But I confused mouthwash with soda. And soda has caused caries.
We should help this tooth.
I have an idea. We should separate mouthwash from soda. It's there.
Goodbye, harmful soda. Hello, useful mouthwash. Mouthwash is not enough.
Toothbrushes. We should clean a tooth from all sides.
You saved me! Thank you!
Could you help us get to the Tooth Queen?
This is the road to the Tooth Queen.
Thanks,
bye.
Is that dental floss?
Yes, dental floss protects teeth.
Look, we have to open the lock. The shark has a lot of teeth. The rabbit has 2 large teeth. Wrong. Rabbit's teeth are not that big. The bat has sharp fangs. The elephant has big tusks. Eee!
We have a request, Tooth Queen.
Could you give me healthy teeth, please?
Yes, your baby teeth are bad. But the time for molars has not come yet. I can take these teeth, but you'll be toothless.
Thanks, but I will try to cure these teeth. Now I know that teeth need a toothbrush, mouthwash, dental floss, and healthy food. Open the portal and let's get out of here. Huh? Treat my teeth, please.
Let's freeze your tooth. Let's brush your teeth. Let's remove your caries.
Today, I'm your tooth fairy.
Now only healthy food for my teeth.
I am green, look at me. I love my green, green color.
Little feet. Oh no, no, I don't see your color anymore.
Where is my pretty color? Green, green, green. I'm so sad, I want it back. Cherry, please, help me out.
Is this your color?
No, it's not.
What about this one?
No, no, no. Here it is, we found my color. I'm so happy now.
I am orange, look at me. I love my orange, orange color. Little carrot, oh no, no, I don't see your color anymore. Where is my pretty color? Orange, orange, orange. I'm so sad, I want it back. Penny, please help me out. Is this your color? No, it's not. What about this one? No, no, no. Here it is, we found my color. I'm so happy now.
I am red, look at me. I love my red, red color. Little cherry, oh no, no, I don't see your color anymore. Where is my pretty color? Red, red, red. I'm so sad, I want it back. Where, please, help me out. Is this your color? No, it's not. What about this one? No, no, no. Here it is, we found my color. I'm so happy now.
I am blue, look at me. I love my blue, blue color.
Little blueberry, oh no, no. I don't see your color anymore.
Where is my pretty color? Blue, blue, blue. I'm so sad, I want it back. Garlic, please help me out.
Is this your color?
No, it's not.
What about this one?
No, no, no. Here it is, we found my color. I'm so happy now.
It's a circle. Time to learn shapes. The ball is a circle.
It is not a circle. Now it's a circle. A triangle. Now the waffle cone is a triangle too.
A square. A piece of paper is not a square. It's a rectangle. Huh? Now it's a square.
But what's that? This is a star. A circle. A triangle.
A square.
What is this shape?
There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out.
There were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and the one fell out.
There were 8 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out.
There were 7 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and the one fell out.
There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out.
There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and the one fell out.
There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out.
There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and the one fell out.
There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out.
There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, alone at last. Good night.
Something's not right. Oh no, no. I lost my color. Where did it go? We will help you out. Don't worry. We'll find your color right away. This color doesn't fit. It's not what you need. We have to find the right one indeed. Magic pencil with wonderful colors. Help us find the color that we want. Blue, blue, blue. We found you. The perfect color for you. So true. Is the perfect color for you. Something's wrong. Oh no, no. Where is my color? Where did it go? We will help you out. Don't worry. We'll find your color right away. This color doesn't fit. It's not what you need. We have to find the right one indeed. We have to find the right one. Magic pencil with wonderful colors. Help us find the color that we want. Orange, orange, we found you. The perfect color for you. So true, is the perfect color for you.
What is happening? Oh no, no. This is so strange. All the colors are gone.
We will help you out, don't worry. We'll find your color right away. This color doesn't fit. It's not what you need. We have to find the right one indeed. We have to find the right one. Magic pencil with wonderful colors. Help us find the color that we want. Green, green, green. We found you. The perfect color for you. So true. Is the perfect color for you.
Oh no, Mommy! I got a bubbly, bubbly ouchie tummy, and it won't stop. It goes rumble, rumble, boing, boing, boing. Please calm my tummy down. Oh, sweetie, eating too much candy is not good for you. Here is some water, it will help you now. Let me wrap your tummy nicely round, 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 and the pain will go away. No more bubbly tummy today.
Oh no, Daddy! I got a bubbly, bubbly, ouchie tummy, and it won't stop. It goes rumble, rumble, boing, boing, boing. Please calm my tummy down. dirty, so many germs around. Let's wash your hands clean and you'll feel better now. Let me wrap your tummy nicely round, 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 and the pain will go away. No more bubbly tummy today.
Oh no! Mommy! Daddy! We got a bubbly, bubbly, ouchie tummy, and it won't stop. It goes rumble, rumble, boing, boing, boing. Please calm our tummies down.
Oh, lovely cuties, all the strings in the sun spinning around. Make your tummy so bubbly. You need some rest, come and sit in the shade and relax over here.
Wrap nicely round and round, and the pain will go away. No more bubbly tummies today. Baby, baby, don't cry. 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 Baby, baby, don't cry.
Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry.
Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry.
Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry.
Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry.
Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry.
Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry. Baby, baby, don't cry.
I have a kitty. She's so pretty. She has a soft and shiny fur. I love to pet her all the time.
Kitty, 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 you're such a good friend. You and us together forever. Kitty, 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 you're part of our family. We love you so, so much. My little kitty is so cheeky. She likes to play all day long. She's never tired at all. Kitty, 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 you're such a good friend. You and us together forever. Kitty, kitty, kitty,
sounds right.